So welcome to Bima Sinkhole in Sur, Oman. It was an inspiring experience. The hidden gem is a true marvel of nature, tucked away in Oman's beauty. What a beautiful day here in Sinkhole, Oman.
Meron pang palangko.
Hi, hi.
Meron pang
Hello.
palangko.
Hi. See? It's nice place. Bahalag gihangak ko. What a nice place. Hi, Ma'am Amy.
Hello!
Hi, Zep. Where are you? Ayun.
We're
Yan.
here, one of the natural wonder
Yeah.
of Sur.
Yes.
A
The
sinkhole.
sinkhole. So,
Sinkhole is caused by... this is the result of aftermath of volcanic eruption.
yeah.
It's from a crater.
See?
And
It's nice to be here.
around it, small river.
Very nice, very nice. Hi, Zep. Hello. Hi, Ma'am Amy. Nice. Ah. Very nice, very nice. Sulit naman yung aming isang araw na biyahe. Kung kaya ko, kaya nyo. Haskang kinatkatay dyan. Thank you. Hi, Seth. It's nice. It's a nice place. Feeling close ko nila. Bisag ko kaila. Embracing the beauty of Sinkhole, Sur, Oman. Yay! Oh, sayaw naman tayo.
Nice, nice.
Thank you, Noor, for the amazing photo shoot. Abi na ko, kauban ako sila sa bus. Oh my God. Waday ko kailan nila. Niubog yun ko sa seawater. Salty water, I mean. Ang sarap ng feeling. So refreshing. At sobrang lamig. Feeling close dito ko ani nila. And I am very much pampered with these people. Iba-ibang lahi to. May Indian, may Pakistan, may Arabic. So, di ba ang saya-saya lang? It was really a nice place to visit.